Something interesting is happening right now. Instead of buying bigger houses, more people are redesigning the homes they already have. They are changing how they live, how they use space, and what they really need in a home. Welcome back to Contain Your Life. For years, the goal was always the same. Get a bigger house, more rooms, more storage, more furniture, more everything. But today, many people are doing the opposite. They are making their homes smaller, simpler, and easier to live in. Not because they cannot afford more, because they no longer want more. In this video, we are going to talk about why people are redesigning their homes instead of upgrading, why interior space matters more than size, and why simple living is changing the way homes are being used. One of the biggest changes happening right now is how people think about space. In the past, extra rooms meant success. Now, extra rooms often mean extra work. More cleaning, more maintenance, more repairs, more bills. People are starting to realize that having more space does not always make life easier. Sometimes it makes life more complicated. That is why many homeowners are redesigning the homes they already have instead of moving to something bigger. They are turning spare rooms into offices, storage rooms into living space, garages into workshops, closets into organized systems, small kitchens into functional kitchens. The goal is no longer bigger. The goal is better. Interior design today is less about decoration and more about function. People want homes that work for their life, not homes that look impressive to other people. This is one reason the minimal living movement became so popular. When you remove clutter, you can see what space actually does. You realize how much room you really need. And for most people, it is less than they thought. Another reason people are redesigning instead of moving is cost. Buying a bigger house today is expensive. Higher prices, higher taxes, higher insurance, higher utilities. Instead of taking on more debt, many people are choosing to improve what they already have. They remodel kitchens, they update bathrooms, they reorganize storage, they remove walls, they create open space. They make the home fit their life instead of trying to fit their life into the home. This is especially true for people over 50. After years of collecting things, many realize they do not need a larger house. They need a simpler one. That is why downsizing and redesigning often happen at the same time. People do not just move to smaller homes. They change how they live inside the home. Less furniture, less clutter, less unused space. More comfort, more function, more freedom. Another big change is how people use their homes. Homes used to be places you left every day for work. Now many people work from home. That means the house needs to do more. Office, living space, storage, relaxation. Instead of buying a bigger house, people are learning how to use space better. That is why interior design ideas, home organization, and DIY improvements are more popular than ever. People are not trying to impress anyone. They are trying to make life easier. And when a home works better, life feels better. You spend less time cleaning, less time fixing, less time paying for things you do not need, more time living. This shift towards smaller, smarter, and more functional homes is not a trend. It is a change in thinking. People are realizing that comfort does not come from square footage. It comes from control. When your home fits your life, everything feels easier. And that is why more people are redesigning instead of upgrading. Not because they have to, because they want to live differently. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.